In this video, we will show you how to install corner stabilizers on your polytunnel. Corner stabilizers help strengthen your polytunnel by spreading the load from the wind. Here are the parts you'll need. There are 4 corner stabilizers, one for each corner. The corner stabilizers are positioned between the end hoop and the first intermediate hoop. Each corner stabilizer is made from 2 pieces. One piece is 1.9 meters long, flat at one end and plain at the opposite end. The second piece is 45 centimeters long, flat at one end and swage at the opposite end. Fit a Q-clip 18 centimeters up from the hoop and foundations joint on the first intermediate hoop. Use a pair of pipe grips to close the prongs together. Locate the flat end of the longer piece to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole, ensuring the threaded part is on the inside of the polytunnel. The bottom of the Q-clip should be on the 18 centimeter mark. Screw on a nut and firmly tighten. Slide the swaged end of the shorter piece into the plain end of the longer piece. Position a Q-clip on the end hoop and locate the flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure into place with a nut. Secure the 2 pieces of the corner stabilizer together with a self-drilling screw. Place a spirit level on the end hoop and adjust the Q-clip up or down until the hoop is vertically aligned and firmly tighten the Q-clip. Repeat this process to fit the corner stabilizers on the remaining 3 corners of your polytunnel. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.